of nozzle water circulation. There are two water circulation interfaces on the side of the nozzle. First, connect a pipe to the interface behind this nozzle. Connect the remaining pipes according to this path. Keep the front end pipeline connected in a straight line. Extend the back end pipeline to the designated location. The last pipeline is connected to the corresponding interface. 21. Nozzle ink tube connection. The nozzle has four ink tube interfaces. The ink pipe interface from left to right is straight pipe, valve pipe, straight pipe. Install nozzle ink tube. Cut the ink tube to the appropriate length using diagonal pliers and install it into the ink inlet of the nozzle. Install in place in order: 1 white nozzle, 1 color, 1 glossy oil nozzle, 1 color. W a set of nozzles. W the secondary ink cartridge is on the far left. V a set of nozzles. V the secondary ink cartridge is on the far right. The connection method of the two nozzle ink tubes is consistent. The connection method of the white W, glossy oil V, nozzle ink tube from left to right is as follows. WV secondary ink cartridge direct connecting tube, third tube from outside to inside. WV secondary ink cartridge valve tube, first tube from outside to inside. WV secondary ink cartridge valve tube, second tube from outside to inside. WV level 2 ink cartridge direct connection tube, fourth tube from outside to inside. Color CMYK nozzle with one head and two colors. CM is a set of nozzles. YK is a set of nozzles. CM nozzle ink tube connection method. C level 2 ink cartridge direct connection tube, third tube from outside to inside. C level 2 ink cartridge valve tube, second tube from outside to inside. M level 2 ink cartridge valve tube, second tube from outside to inside. M level 2 ink cartridge direct connection tube, third tube from outside to inside. YK nozzle ink tube connection method. Y level 2 ink cartridge direct connection tube, third tube from outside to inside. Y level 2 ink cartridge valve tube, second tube from outside to inside. K level 2 ink cartridge valve tube, second tube from outside to inside. K level 2 ink cartridge direct connection tube, fourth tube from outside to inside. Installation of nozzle wiring. After the machine is powered off and the emergency stop button is turned off, open the ink tube valve. Check if all nozzle valves are open. Carefully inspect the metal pins of the nozzle cable. Check for any damage or ink stains. If possible, use alcohol to wet a dust-free cloth and clean it thoroughly. 2 cables and 1 nozzle. 1 nozzle card with 2 cable holes. Insert the cable on the left side of the nozzle into the hole on the left side of the nozzle card. Insert the cable on the right side of the nozzle into the hole on the right side of the nozzle card. Simply install the corresponding nozzle cable in sequence. Ink circulation pressure value adjustment demonstration. Open the emergency stop button. Start switch. Then open the ink supply button. Open the ink circulation button. Observe whether the pressure value display is normal. On the far right, channels A, B, C, D are W, C, M, and Y respectively. The leftmost A, B, C, D correspond to channels K, L, C, L, M, and V respectively. During this period, it may be necessary to restart the ink circulation button multiple times until the numerical display is normal, 0 to 8. After all values are normal, adjust the loop control version. The 4 buttons from left to right are Settings, Add, Subtract, and OK. The pressure values are W equal to 12, C equal to 10, M equal to 10, Y equal to 10, K equal to 10, LM equal to 10, V equal to 10. Vertically adjust the nozzle. After the nozzle is installed, adjust the printing height properly. After the nozzle is moved over, double-click the flash spray icon on the software. Move left again twice. Continue double-clicking on flash spray. After the machine head returns to its original position, check if the flashing status is aligned and consistent. If there is inconsistency, it is necessary to loosen the nozzle. Screw-ually adjust the screw on the right side of the nozzle to adjust the verticality. And so forth, until the YW color nozzle CM and candelic LM is fully aligned end to end in a completely overlapping state. 5. Color adjustment. The principle of color calibration is add up, subtract down, subtract left, and add right, printing the color cross on the standard test thermos cup. At this point, the nozzle has been adjusted vertically. Then print and adjust according to the color matching principle. During this period, it may be necessary to modify parameters multiple times. Print it out, adjust and modify it until all color channels of white and color CMYKL, CLM and light oil are infinitely close to overlapping together.